Hi guys, just wanted to quickly show you how I level my cakes. So obviously when I'm doing a decorated ice stack cake, I can't have the dome top, and I also like to cut my cakes into layers so you get a better ratio of buttercream or ganache to cake. So what I actually had made up was a little measuring card. I had it 3D printed with a little slot for my knife, and I cut my cake in 1-inch layers, but then I can use this if I need to ever cut it at a different height. So basically what I do is I put that up against the cake and I use my bread knife, also a serrated bread knife, to mark the points where I hit 1 inch, 2 inches and 3 inches. So I'll quickly do that now. 1, 2, 3, and I just slide around the cake with my turntable and mark those points all the way around the cake. Now if you don't have one, well obviously no one else has one of these because I've had it made up myself, you can actually just use a regular ruler or a measuring tape, or you could make something similar yourself with a piece of cardboard or something like that. But I use mine so often that I had mine made up properly. So now I've marked all the way around the cake, and then what I do is I use my knife to just glide around and mark that line. So I start at the top layer, and don't press too deeply first, just mark the top, mark the outside first all the way around, and then you can start to press in further as you keep turning the cake, and it just helps you get a nice flat layer. Then I can take the top off and you can see it's nice and flat there. Then I'll just get rid of these crumbs, and then I can do the same for the next layer down, join up the next row of marks. And once I've marked all the way around, I just start pressing a little bit harder so it slides all the way through. And then I can take that and now I have 3 beautifully level slices of cake.